Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up a Wise bank account. So first things first, you just have to simply go to wise.com and then click the first link that you can see here. Now what you're going to do is you have to tap on sign up or get started. You have two options. And then here you can create an account using your Google, Facebook, and your email address and password. Now, once done, check your email. Once verified, you can now get started. So you can choose personal, business. Let me tap on personal right here. And then what you're going to do next is just enter the information needed, such as your country, first name, last name, date of birth, and phone number. And this is what it looks like. Now on the left side, you can see here order debit card. So what you're going to do is you need to tap order a debit card and confirm your address or delivery. Pay the one-time issuance fee. Wait for your card to arrive, and then once you receive it, then you can activate it in the application. So what you're going to do is you have to simply choose bank transfer as the funding method. Once you have your transaction, and Wise will show you the bank details to send money, all you have to do is to just connect your debit card or bank account for direct debit, instant funding instead of manual transfer. So before you can order a debit card, you need to answer information right here. And once you have added the basic information, then you can now order your debit card. You can choose digital or physical. Now, once you have connected your debit card or your bank account to your debit card that you have ordered on Wise, or let's just say if it's digital, you can now pay in shops online, or money will be taken directly from your Wise balance in local currency. If you don't have that currency, Wise will auto convert it at a low fee. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.